All right, Alexander, Chef Boyard Alexander. What you got over here, man? Tell me what you
I
got.
cooked some fried shrimp.
And they fire, I must say myself. They fire. And what you use? What's your ingredients? Can you tell the people? Hey man, stop eating all this shrimp.
Secret ingredients.
All right.
Well, I guess I gotta give it out. I use some MCT oil.
Why MCT oil?
Because it's healthy.
It's healthy.
Yes.
And so it's healthier than what other option?
Grease.
Ah. So what does MCT oil do?
It gives you fuel.
What type of fuel?
Energy fuel.
Yeah. It gives you energy. What else does it help? Does it help anything else?
Tiredness.
Really? Okay.
Yes.
All right. What else you got?
I got some Old Bay.
All right.
I got some, what do you call it?
Tony's seasoning? Creole seasoning?
Yeah. Sure.
All right. And what type of flour are you using?
I'm using super fine almond flour.
Almond flour. Why almond flour and not, what's the other type of flour? The traditional flour. White flour. Why not white flour?
Because this is another healthier option.
A healthier option. Wow. So you recommend these options over other things?
Yes.
Okay. What else you got?
Peppercorn.
Okay.
Some cayenne pepper.
Wow.
And some onion powder. Just a little bit.
All right. And what's this right here?
This is eggs.
Okay.
And this is lobster tails.
Okay. So you're finna make some fried lobsters. Okay. And this is your grease heating up here. You're going to drop it in there. Okay. And you got your tongs?
They're right here.
All right. Now, how old are you again?
I'm 10 years old.
10 years old in that thing, and you about to you already made your fried shrimp over there. All right. All right. Good deal, Alexander. How you learn how to cook?
I did, 2 years of cooking school? And Ethan went there just to eat.
And so a lot of experimenting, huh?
Yes.
Good job, man. Thank you so much, sir.